Switching to Mint Mobile doesn't mean leaving your favorite apps and precious data behind. Let's make sure everything makes the jump with you. First things first, the easiest and often most reliable way is through your phone's built-in backup system on Android. This usually means Google Drive. Go to Settings, then tap on System or General Management, look for Backup and Restore. And make sure your data is backed up to your Google account for iPhones. Head into Settings. Tap your name at the top, select iCloud, and then iCloud Backup. Ensure backup this iPhone is toggled on and run a backup. Now on your new Mint Mobile phone, during the initial setup, both Android and iPhone will prompt you to restore from a backup. Choose the most recent backup you created from your old phone. This will transfer most of your apps, settings, contacts, photos, and more. Many phones offer a direct transfer option. For example, Samsung has Smart Switch. This creates a direct connection between your phones so you can choose exactly what to transfer. Simply download the Smart Switch app on both devices and follow the prompts with Apple. Quick Start may appear automatically when setting up your new iPhone if it is close to your old iPhone. Some apps might require you to log in again on your new phone, so have your passwords handy. Also, be patient. Transferring everything might take a little time, especially if you have a lot of photos and videos. And that's it. You're now rocking your new Mint Mobile phone with all your apps and data safe and sound. Enjoy the savings.